Story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
Okay, we are back at Sintra. It's the next day. The sun's beating down on us. It's much warmer today. And we're waiting to go in at 12:30. So, yeah, we just got our little queuing system going on. And there's a little taste of what's to come. There's Mel looking chic from the motorbike ride. And we're just trying to find a cafe quickly first. Want a quick cappuccino and one of those little Portuguese pastries, and then we're gonna explore all of this. Alright, well, we gotta have one of these, haven't we? Let's give it a taste. Oh, that's good. You like that? Not too bad, that.
This is a proper one.
Right, so Sintra's just nuts, you know. You ride in, and like I say, there's palace after palace, castle next to castle. The whole place is just enchanted. It's ridiculous. I mean, even sitting here just having a coffee, you're looking at the forest, and all you're seeing is like big villas, castles, all sorts. Look at this. Just this is my view. So you've got like a little place over there. You've got a castle up top. Over there behind a tree there's a bloody castle. There's a big villa in there. I mean, it's just nuts. Obviously you've got all the housing over there. The whole place is crazy. It's like a massive medieval money laundering operation or something. It's just mad. Right, there we are, on the move. Now, is it as impressive inside? I think it is. Oh my god. So this is a Latino movie display. I don't know. For more thinking. Nice bit of velvet.
That hunt room. Let's go and see.
Yeah. Wow. This is a place. Super Abat Opus. Wow. Incredible. Yeah, that's up her. It's a sort of thing. It's up her street. Wow, I can't believe people used to live here. Imagine living here. Oh, yeah. Look at the kings and the portraits. Wow, that view. Smoking room, so that's where you come for a cigar. Very nice. We like a cigar.
intervening in the miracle.
Don't know, I still think that might be Tartarian. All the antique tech. Mm.
Oh, it is. Yeah.
Look at these plants. Jesus, look at that.
That's old. We will maintain them.
Oh, and they're really mature as well.
This would be nice in our entrance.
Wow. This place is just magical. It really is. It's magical. That's the only descriptive term I can use. It's magical. It's enchanting. It is. It's bizarre as well. It's like, why would you do all this? Everywhere you look, there's like symbols and symbology. And, I mean, this is a symbologist's wet dream.
At the season.
Look at this. It's got a beautiful little bridge and this is overwhelming. It's like overwhelming the senses. It's like overload. Sensory overload. Look at that. The little stairs down there. Just everywhere is something. It's just... So it quite literally is an old playground for rich eccentrics who are into the mystical and the esoteric. Can you imagine just being out of your head? You know, you're a rich aristocrat 100, 200 years ago, out of your head on opium, walking around here, not knowing what's going on. So this is the unfinished well, and there's people down there. Look at that. Look at that. This place is nuts. Really nuts. So we're going now to the famous initiation well. So we're in the entrance to the famous, infamous initiation well.
Thank you so much, guys. Go until the end of the
Built
so more people can come in.
well after the Knights Templar ended, so although they say there's connections to the Templars, don't think so. Just a bit of a fanboy, I think, with a lot of money. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, so cool. Look at that. From the light to the darkness. How cool is this? So they would have done this at night with candles, can you imagine? Or maybe no candles. It's really cool, isn't it? And there it is. Wow. How cool. So cool. It's really, really cool.
I know. Yeah.
This bit reminds me of the Hellfire Caves in Wickham.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Oh, what's this?
What's that?
I don't know.
We need.
No, it's the unfinished well from before. Do you remember the unfinished well that we looked at? Yeah, this is it. I reckon I could climb up there, no problem. Ah, I see. That's it, we're getting out now. Cool. And this is the this is where you go back into the light after receiving. Oh, nice. Ah, there they are. See, now when you go for the initiation, apparently, you come down here, you walk through there in darkness, and you come out here, and then you step across these stones, and then that's the initiation over. But obviously they're not going to let the public do that. But yeah, it's quite something. And you're back out into the light, you know? This is the little chapel. Nice. Oh, look at the Templar crosses all over it. Nice. Very Roslyn-esque. I think that's the end of our time in this fantastic, magical place, palace. Can't remember the name. Put it on the screen now. In Sintra. Thank you very much. Incredible. Well worth a visit. Even as you leave, look. Even as you leave, there's a little extra. Just saying, just on your way out, look at, you know, just got a little bit extra for you. Look at that place.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. Just completely unnecessary, but wonderful.